Hello everybody, I'm Alan Thompson. I'm the Mayor of Caledon. I'm here with Dr. Lowe from Peel Health. Dr. Lowe and I are here today at the Peel Walk of Fame. This year's Walk of Fame is we're recognizing all our frontline workers. And the last time we have done that was back in 2005 when Council recognized the World War I and World War II veterans. Today we're recognizing our frontline workers, from people that grew the food, to the ones that delivered the food, the ones that sold the food in the stores, to our firefighters, our police, our emergency services, but especially our healthcare workers in all facets. From long-term care to our hospitals to everywhere, Dr. Lowe, your team worked tirelessly. So this is why for 2021, for the Walk of Fame, we want to recognize your healthcare workers and for everything that everybody has done to make it possible.
Well, thank you for your kind words, Your Worship, and certainly for yours and Town Council's own leadership through what have been a number of difficult years, I think, for our community. We know that the COVID-19 pandemic has been the longest and most unprecedented emergency response in the history of the region of Peel. And I think through our collective efforts, we've seen how everyone being able to come together, stick to the precautions, get vaccinated, we've been able to protect the vulnerable, save lives, and also move beyond the acute phase of the pandemic. We certainly mourn those that we lost during the pandemic and are thinking of those whose lives and health were impacted when they were infected early on with the virus. But I know for certain, like you said, that if it wasn't for the tireless work of numerous individuals and groups, that many more lives might have been lost. And so I often think of exactly as you certainly, my team at Peel Public Health and everyone involved in the mass vaccination program, staff, volunteers, contact tracers, our public health inspectors, our public health nurses, but also our partners at Ontario Health, especially the ones that ran the testing centers, the community assessment centers, our hospital partners, as you know. So for Caledon, you've got your folks out at Headwaters and also at William Moser at Brampton Civic, but also our Trillium Health partners that also really supported us. All of our local physicians, nurses, allied health professionals, our first responder, paramedic, fire, police, our long-term care workers. We have the Davis Centre out here in Caledon, and they've also helped us out significantly, went above and beyond with the vulnerable population. Town of Caledon staff who ran and supported the vaccination site at the Caledon East Centre there. We got up to almost 650 doses a day, including the boosters before bedtime. And then, of course, all the senior services, the Caledon Senior Centre that helped out, the local pharmacy. So we certainly worked with the Southfields Pharmasave. We had the Shoppers Drug Mart. We had the Queen Square Flu and Cold Clinic, also the Southfields Community Centre. Everybody really stepped up to deliver testing and vaccinations. And then, of course, we had our housebound program and the people that went into people's houses, as well as our school program together with the school boards and Mayfield Secondary. So I know it was a long list, but I think that list just really demonstrates how many different hands, how many people had to come together in the healthcare and related sectors to really make a difference, to save lives and move us beyond.
Okay, here we are, Doc Lowe. Frontline Workers of Caledon. To everyone during the pandemic, exhibited the true spirit of Caledon: kindness, compassion, service, and unity. We salute our contribution to keeping our community safe. This stone in this beautiful location is an invocation to contemplate and to appreciate the special nature of Caledon's community spirit, inducted 2021. And Doc, I gotta say, this is to everybody that did their part.
Well, thank you, Mayor Thompson. I certainly recognize this recognition as Medical Officer of Health for the region of Peel, thanks to all the partners that we mentioned earlier on in this video, and just really recognizing that the lives saved and where we are today is thanks to your tireless work.